Hey guys, if you're trying to render your project in DaVinci, but it's either not working or giving you some sort of error, then watch until the end, as in this video, I'm going to provide you with all the methods you can use to fix this frustrating issue. So the first thing you'll need to do is launch up the DaVinci application. So once you're inside of DaVinci, we just need to launch up our project. And then what you're going to do is come over to DaVinci in the top left here, and then select Preferences. Come over to this User tab at the top, and down at the bottom here where it says Stop Renders when a frame or clip cannot be processed, we actually want to uncheck this option here and then press Save. And then you can check to see if that fixes the issue, otherwise move on to the next step. So the next thing we're going to do is update our graphic drivers, as sometimes this can also cause the rendering issue. So the most simplest way of doing this is just heading over to the Start menu and searching for Device Manager, and then come over to the Device Manager window. Then from this list of options, we need to come down to Display Adapters and expand this list, and then you'll just need to locate your graphics card from inside of here. Now I have two graphics cards installed on my PC, but this NVIDIA one is the one that I'm using, so I'm just going to right click on this and come into Update Driver, and then you need to press Search automatically for drivers. Now if you already have the latest drivers installed on your device, then it may be worth heading to the official manufacturer's website of your graphics card. So for instance, because I'm using a NVIDIA graphics card, I could just head over to an internet browser and type something in like NVIDIA latest graphic cards, and then come over to the NVIDIA driver downloads page. Then all you'll need to do is input your graphic card details, and then we can download the latest driver directly from this link. And you'll be able to do the same if you have an Intel or an AMD graphics card. And if you are using a NVIDIA graphics card and you have GeForce installed on your computer, then another way we can do this is just by heading over to the Start menu and searching for GeForce, and then loading up the GeForce experience. So from this application, there'll be a section at the top called Drivers, and if we select this, we can just press check for updates here, and this is going to ensure that we are running the latest graphic card driver. And if you're already running the latest driver like myself, it might also be an idea to come over to these three little dots and just select reinstall driver. Now if you've tried updating your drivers and that's still not fixed the issue, then another thing we can do is head back over to the DaVinci application, and we're going to come back over to DaVinci in the top left here, come over to Preferences, this time come inside of the System tab, and we'll need to select Memory and GPU. And then down here in our list of graphic cards, just make sure you have the correct graphic card selected. So like I said earlier, I'm using this NVIDIA graphics card, so I need to ensure that this one's checked, and then we can just save our changes in here. And now what we're going to do is we're going to come down to this Deliver tab at the bottom here, and this will bring up the rendering settings window. So we need to select these three little dots up here and come into Updates during renders and make sure this is turned off. And then the last thing you can do if that's still not fixed the issue is we need to come over to Custom Export on the left here, and then we're going to change from video to file. And then if you scroll down slightly, we can actually try changing the rendering speed. So at the moment it's set to maximum, but we can try reducing this to either 25 or 50. Now this will slow down the amount of time it takes to render your project, but this can actually fix the rendering issue. So hopefully by following all of these steps in this video, at least one of them has fixed the issue for you. If this video did help you, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing. Until next time.